If your skin looks dull, uneven, or the dark spots don't just want to go away, this might be the missing step in your skincare routine. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the best toners for glowing skin and hyperpigmentation. Story time. When I was a novice in skincare, when I started a couple of years ago, I used to feel that toners was not important in the skincare routine, like you just an optional skincare product you should include in your skincare routine. But I never knew I was missing an important thing. But when I started including toners in my routine, I realized that my product works better and my skin started looking fresher, as you can see. Now let's talk about toners. Toners do more than just prep your skin. It hydrates your skin, it smooths your skin, it exfoliates your skin, it brightens your skin depending on the formula. And using the right toner can help to even out hyperpigmentation, calm inflammation, and also help to keep your skin barrier happy. So if you're wondering which toner is best for your skin or that is perfect for a glowing skin or hyperpigmentation, make sure you watch this video to the end. Okay, the first toner on my list for a glowing skin is going to be the Tonymoly Wonder Ceramide Mushy Toner. I put out the picture on the screen. There's a toner over here. This toner is amazing. It's amazing. It's wonderful. It contains ceramide. It contains pentanol. It contains hyaluronic acid, and it also contains some amazing ingredients. This toner is going to help to hydrate your skin. It's going to help to smoothen your skin, and it's going to help to leave your skin soft and bouncing. I'm in love. I'm hooked. I don't think I'll use any other toner again. Since I started using this, I love this toner. This toner is very, very nice. And this one is the 500 ml, which is very big, going to last you for a while. I've been using this toner now for more than 3 months. Let me just say for 2 months now. As you can see where it is, I love the milky texture. I love the lightweight. It's not too thick, it's just lightweight, but it has this milk consistency. It's very nice, and when you apply it on the skin, it keeps your skin hydrated, it keeps your skin moisturized, it keeps your skin glowing. This is one toner I recommend. It's perfect if you have a normal skin, also perfect if you have an oily skin. This toner is very, very good. If you know that your skin is dull, uneven, or your skin is not looking glowy or moisturized, this might be one of the toners you should include into your skincare routine. This toner is like a food on the skin that is going to nourish your skin. I'm telling you out of my experience, what I've experienced using this toner. This toner is amazing. Before I started using this toner, I was using the rose water toner. It was also very good. So if you're on a budget and you cannot afford this, you can use the rose water toner, which is this toner. This rose water toner is good. I still use it, but this is the one I use mostly now because I love the way it feels on my skin. If you're looking for a toner that is going to be good for your skin, that will give you a glowing skin, that will help to make your product work effectively, I would recommend you go for this toner. Since I started using it, I am not going back. This is one toner that will keep reproducing, that has retained its permanent space in my shelf. So I will recommend for you to use this toner. You don't want it on this channel. If I see something that works, I will come here and tell you guys. One thing I make sure is that I will never lie to my audience. I will never lie to you guys, because anything that works, I will come and tell you. If it doesn't work, I will still come back here and tell you guys it doesn't work. But this one is a good buy. This is one toner you should include in your skincare routine if you want to have a glowing skin, if you want your skin to be even, and if you want to have a bouncing skin. This is a toner you should include in your skincare routine. Add this toner to your routine and come back and thank me later. Okay, the next toner on my list is a rose water toner. I put out a picture on the screen. This is it over here. I poured it in this my spray bottle. This toner is very nice. It will not do much. It's going to help to hydrate your skin. It's going to help to smooth your skin. Since I started using this rose water toner, I love it, but I just decided to try this one and I'm hooked. But I'll tell you that this rose water toner is very good. The Tonymoly Wonder toner is also very good. But this toner is one toner that I recommend for you to add to your skincare routine, which is the rose water toner. It's just there to just hydrate your skin, just hydration, like to keep your skin hydrated and moisturized. Okay, the next toner on my list is going to be the ordinary glycolic acid 7% toning solution. I put out a picture on the screen. There is a toner over here. This particular toner will help to exfoliate your skin. It helps to improve the texture of your skin. This one is more like my chemical exfoliant, which I use to exfoliate my skin, and I recommend you use it like 2 to 3 times in a week, and I mostly recommend you use it at night. This toner is very, very nice. It's going to help to exfoliate your skin. It's going to help to clear dead skin cells from your body, and it's going to help to hydrate and moisturize your skin. So if you have a texture skin, if you know you have a rough skin, and if you know you have a dull skin, this is one toner you should include in your skincare routine. This brand did well in their formulation. They are very intentional when they were producing this toner. I use it mostly to exfoliate my skin. I use it on the days of my exfoliation. I don't use it every day. I just use it 2 to 3 times in the night. So that's when I use it. So that's when I recommend for you to use it. Please don't use this toner in the morning because of the glycolic acid content it has in it, because glycolic acid will make your skin to be very sensitive to the sun. Not because people say exfoliate your skin, you now start using it both morning and night. This particular product can irritate your skin if you use it wrongly. So make sure you use it at night, and make sure you use it 2 to 3 times in a week. Don't overdo it. If you want that instant glow, this is one toner you should lay your hands on and include in your skincare routine on the days of your exfoliation. Okay, the next toner on my list for glowing skin and hyperpigmentation is the Acwell licorice pH balancing toner. I put out a picture on the screen. This particular toner, it brightens the skin, it smooths the skin, and it also helps to balance the pH level of our skin. This particular toner helps to fade acne scars, it helps to clear dark marks on the skin. This particular toner contains licorice root. It also contains green tea and some amazing ingredients that will help to suit your skin, brighten your skin, at the same time regulate or balance your pH level of your skin. When you are consistent with this particular toner, it tends to brighten your skin. Because of its oily consistency, it's best suited for dry skin and it's good to be used in cold weather. So if you know you have an oily skin, please, this toner is not perfect for you. If you know you have a sensitive skin, please don't use this toner. If you have an oily skin, you can actually give it a try and check. A lot of people are complaining that this particular toner breaks them out. Maybe their skin is sensitive and this toner doesn't go along with their skin. One thing I like about this particular toner is if you consistently use it, it tends to brighten your skin. It helps to face sunburn, dark mark. It doesn't give irritation. Although it's a very good toner, it's very nice. It helps to brighten your skin, it helps to smooth your skin. It also helps to balance your skin pH. So you can give it a try. But if you know you have a dry skin, please hop on this Acwell toner. Okay, the next toner on my list for glowing skin and for hyperpigmentation is this toner from the I Am From Rice toner. This particular rice toner is one toner that is very nice if you just want a toner that will glow your skin, that will hydrate your skin, that will boost collagen, that will help to brighten your dull skin, that will help to give you that uniform skin, that will give you all the hydration and moisture your skin deserves, that will also help your product to work effectively. Then you should lay hand on this I Am From Rice toner. Okay, so lovers, which particular toner are you currently using right now? If you know any toner you are using and it's giving you all the hydration, it's helping you to glow your skin or helping you to clear your hyperpigmentation, please do what to drop it down in the comment section so 1 or 2 persons can benefit from it. Okay, the next toner on my list for glowing skin and hyperpigmentation is this one from the Good Molecule Niacinamide Brightening Toner. I'll put up the picture on the screen. This particular toner is very nice. It contains niacinamide, it contains licorice root, and it also contains vitamin C, which is going to help to smooth your skin, brighten your skin, and it helps to glow and even out your skin tone. This is one toner that if you are suffering from hyperpigmentation or if you want to have a glowing skin, is a toner you should hop on and grab. And this toner is very affordable and it is very good. It does the job. I think this toner should be my next buy. Try and get this toner and you're not going to regret it. This Good Molecule Niacinamide Brightening Toner, it helps to target dark spots or help to clear hyperpigmentation on your skin. It also helps to strengthen your skin barrier and also help to glow your skin. This is a toner you should lay your hands on. Okay, the next toner on my list for glowing skin and hyperpigmentation is this one from the Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA liquid exfoliant toner. I'll put out the picture on the screen. This particular toner is perfect if you know you have an oily skin or an acne prone skin. This is good for you. The key ingredients in this particular toner is ceramide acid, which will help to unclog your pores, to help to clear up any impurity in your skin and prevent breakout or any bacteria that is causing the breakout. A lot of people have said good reviews about it. If you know you want a good toner, you should lay hand on this, especially if you know you have little amount to spare, because it might be pricey but it's worth every coin. If you know you're an oily skin or an acne prone skin and you're looking for a very good toner that will help to clear all the impurities, that will help to prevent breakout on your skin. Then lay hands on this Paula's Choice 2% PHA liquid exfoliant. Okay, the next toner on my list is going to be the CeraVe hydrating toner. I'll put up the picture on the screen. This particular toner, it contains niacinamide, it contains ceramide, and it also contains hyaluronic acid. This toner is going to help to keep your face hydrated. It's going to lock in all the moisture on your skin. It's not going to keep your skin dry, and it's very perfect if you have dry, normal, or sensitive skin. This particular toner is one toner that I know that if you apply on your skin, is going to keep your skin looking so much. It's going to smooth your skin, it's going to keep your skin hydrated, it's going to help to heal your skin barrier. So if you know you're looking for a good toner that will help to glow your skin, hydrate your skin, and moisturize your skin at the same time, leaving your skin so good and healthy, then lay hand on this CeraVe hydrating toner. Okay, have you tried everything on your skin, from cleansers, serum, and cream, but nothing seems to be working? Come closer, let me tell you why. It's not your skin, it's not the advice. It's because 80% of products sold in Nigeria are mostly fake, expired, or diluted. That's why we created the Ola's Reality Skincare Product Package Combo, which is a direct to customer service. We'll give you a full personalized skincare product recommendation that is tailored to your skin type, your skin concern, your budget, and your skin goal. And guess what? All the products are authentic and it will be delivered to you, and you smile after getting it. We have the basic starter package, which is 75,000 naira, the intermediate plan, which is 160,000, the advanced plan, which is 260,000 to 300,000, and we have the premium plan, which is 360,000 to 600,000. Please stop gambling with your skin. Click on the link in our bio or down in the description box to order your personalized skincare box. With Ola's Reality, real skin, real results. And if you have any skin issue you're battling with, please do well to comment down below. Feel free to download our 5 days clear skin starter plan. If you want to take your skin to the next level, grab our complete ultimate guide to a flawless skin. The first 20 people to get the ebook will get a free 1-day consultation with me. Then if you want to have a personalized skincare routine tailored to your needs, and a weekly follow-up and a monthly follow-up, please click on the link to book a one-on-one consultation with us. Like this video, share this video, and do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel. So guys, have you used any of this toner which I've mentioned in this video? If you have, do well to share your experience with us in the comment section. And if you know any toner that is working for you, that is helping you to glow your skin and help you to clear your hyperpigmentation, please do well to drop it down in the comment section. So guys, if you find this video helpful, you know what to do now. Give us a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please subscribe. If you find this video helpful, you can as well watch this video, which will definitely be recommended by YouTube. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah. Mwah. Mwah.